This isn't just a new motorcycle. It's a legend risen from the dead. The 2026 Yamaha RD1000 V4, a monster that was once just a rumor, now ready to shatter the world's superbike dominance. Who would have thought that the V4 engine era would once again become the center of attention in the superbike world? The year 2025 marked a turning point when the Ducati Panigale V4 R was officially introduced and immediately cemented its dominance, not only on the track, but also in the hearts of high-performance motorcycle enthusiasts. Not to be outdone, the CFMOTO V4 SR-RR made a surprising debut at the 2025 EICMA show, proving that even new manufacturers can compete at the highest level with modern V4 technology. These two bikes are a clear signal. The new V4 superbike war has just begun. However, long before the term V4 sounded futuristic, Yamaha had already made its own mark in history. We must go back to the 80s, when the world was introduced to the Yamaha RD500, a wild two-stroke V4 motorcycle born from Grand Prix racing DNA. The RD500 wasn't just fast, it was a symbol of Yamaha's courage to go against the grain. During its heyday, there was widespread speculation about a more ferocious successor, the RD1000, a two-stroke V4 monster that existed only in rumors and the dreams of enthusiasts. Unfortunately, the project was never realized. Until now. The year 2026 will be a moment that changes everything. Yamaha seems to be reopening a delayed chapter in history with the introduction of the 2026 Yamaha RD1000 V4. More than just a reincarnation, this motorcycle is a statement that Yamaha is ready to return to the top. Featuring a large-capacity V4 engine with a modern technological approach, the RD1000 V4 is said to combine the aggressive character of the legendary RD with the precision of today's electronics. Its power is explosive, its rotation is fierce, yet it remains controllable thanks to the latest traction control and riding mode systems. In terms of design, the 2026 RD1000 V4 looks sharp and radical. Its aerodynamic silhouette with integrated winglet fairings reflects Yamaha's MotoGP racing philosophy. The latest generation aluminum delta box frame is combined with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, ensuring maximum stability at high speeds and during extreme cornering. The superbike class Brembo braking system, long swing arm reminiscent of a race bike, and aggressive racing exhaust further emphasize that this motorcycle was born to compete, not just to be displayed. Now, the question is no longer, can Yamaha do it? But, who is ready to take them on? The Yamaha RD1000 V4 2026 is clearly positioned to challenge the Ducati Panigale V4 R and CFMOTO V4 SR-RR head-on. This isn't just nostalgia, it's the rebirth of a legend in its most modern form. If the RD500 was an icon of the past, then the RD1000 V4 is a symbol of the future. Wild, fast, and uncompromising. A motorcycle that doesn't just want to win, it wants to be remembered. Thanks for watching.